Today is day 2 of my 3-day Strong Without Stress plan. 4 moves, fast coaching, and a routine you can actually finish before lunch. Let's go. First exercise of the day, we have some barbell bench presses. For your setup, I want you to have your feet planted on the ground. Core brace, shoulder blades back and pinched together. I don't want none of this. Shoulder blades back and pinched together. Descent. Lower the bar to mid chest, elbows at 45 degrees, and explode on the way up. Common mistakes that I see when people do the bench press is that they bounce the weight off their chest. Stop doing that. What I tell my clients is control the weight. Don't let the weight control you. You see people doing that with every exercise. They'll go, for example, for a squat. They get on under the squat bar. You see the weight taking them completely down. They just crashing down. Take at least 1.5 seconds, 1 second on the way down for every exercise. If it's the bench on the way down, take 1 second and then explode up. Don't let the weight just crash on you. One, because if you don't got a spotter, you dead, right? And two, because if you wake up one day and think you're stronger than usual, you add a ton of weight, and you let that bar crush your sternum, you might be fried. You might be cooked. I did 5 to 10 reps with the barbell bench press, and it's a great exercise to implement if you're trying to get in and out the gym because it targets multiple muscle groups. It's going to target your triceps, some front delts, and definitely your chest. Keep that in mind. Second exercise of the day, we have some cable tricep pushdowns. Elbows to your side, tall posture, and shoulder blades relax. A lot of times, I feel like when people do their tricep pushdowns, they put a lot of tension up here. So they relax your shoulder blades and let the triceps do the work instead of trying to use your shoulders for everything. That's why people get some shoulder impingements. Don't get me wrong, there's a way to use your shoulders so you can add heavier weight to the cable machine, but over time that's not going to be beneficial for your shoulders. It's something that you can add for maybe like 2, 3, 4 weeks. Don't do this consistently. Ideally, you want your shoulder blades relaxed with every exercise. If it doesn't involve shoulders, have your shoulder blades relaxed and work on the muscle that you're supposed to be working. In this case, tricep push down works the triceps. Gonna work the short head of the tricep. With benching, we got some long head work. If I'm not mistaken, you could drop in the comments if I'm capping. But with the bench press, you could definitely get some long head work. With this cable machine, with the cable tricep push down, 10 to 15 reps is ideal, 2 sets, and then move on because you've been working on triceps with the barbell bench press, so you don't need many sets on the cable tricep push down. So these is 2 exercises. This is done in 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops. Exercise is just gonna target majority your lateral deltoids, so your rear delts, your upper traps, so upper back muscles, your rear delt muscle, which is responsible for how big you look. Shoulders, it gives you the illusion that your hips is smaller than usual if you have broader shoulders. That's why women should do shoulders if you want that hourglass shape. But this program is majority for men. With shoulder exercises, I like to do 10 to 15 reps, 10 to 20 reps. I like to go high volume with my shoulder exercises, unless I'm doing a barbell overhead press where I don't feel like it's beneficial for me to do more than 10 reps if it's heavy. That's 3 exercises. We're going to work our way to 4. The last exercise of the day, we have some spider curls. So what I want you to do here is set up the incline bench to a 45 to 60 degree angle. This exercise is gonna majority target the short head of your biceps. Any bicep exercise I do, I try to go three to four sets, and I try to do past 10 reps. So 10 to 15 reps, 10 to 20 reps. I want to go a little heavier, I do 10 reps, stay at 10 reps. But if I want the pump, I'm going to chase 20 reps. I'm doing mile rep match sets. I'm just trying to get the pump in the bicep. I want to be very transparent. This exercise sucks. I was just doing dumbbell incline curls for a while, and I wanted to change up some variations. I feel like there's not enough stretch when you do this exercise, and it's not enough, I'm gonna say, range of motion. I feel like there's no movement specifically in this exercise. It just is not good. I'd rather you do some hammer curls. I'd rather you do some cable curls. I'd rather you do some dumbbell incline curls. Dumbbell incline curls is probably the best curl variation. That